Yes, I was saying about two zabar, two zair. Yeah, for the two zabar, how we will stay two zabar? One zabar will be minus and another zabar we will stretch. Like for example, Nuran, one zabar is minus, so one zabar left. So Nuran stay will be how?
Nura,
Right. Okay, Rukaman stay will be how?
Rukama,
Yeah, nice. For example, there was one more word. Here is, yeah, there is that. So ma an stay will be how?
Ma'a,
Ma,
Ma,
yes. How we will stay here?
Ma'a,
Right, ma. Okay, so now for two zabar you understand. Only for two zabar is this rule, okay? But if you see,
okay,
there are two zair or one zabar zair pesh. For example, look it please. Where is that? Where is that? Look it please. If there is a standing pesh, standing zair, standing zabar, one zair, two pesh, two zair, like zabar zair pesh, or two zair or two pesh. Okay, then we will make
okay.
sakin, like we will use sukun on the last letter. I look it please, there are some definitions. Look it please. One zabar zair pesh or two zabar, two zair or two pesh, and now we are writing and standing zabar. Do you know what is that called? How you learned? Standing zabar or khada zabar?
Standing Zabar,
Okay, standing zabar, standing zair, standing pesh. So we can make them sakin, okay? Like we will
okay.
use like this sign, like this. Now you have to answer me. There are many questions. Please be active. Are you active?
Yeah,
How many percent?
100,
Okay. My first question. Yes, Ba'din. How you will stay there?
Badi,
Why Ba'di? Why you are using one there?
because it's a standing series, like,
We will use this sign. Right now I explained. Only for two zabar, we will minus one zabar, okay? In two zabar,
yeah,
then we will stay.
Badi,
Okay, for two zair, we will remove all two zair.
Bad,
Yeah, bad, nice. Okay, so look it please. Min Nurin, how we will stay there?
Nur,
Yeah, Noor. Two zair, minus, remove. Okay, so like this. For example, 1 second. Yeah, this one. Wal arudi, one zair. Remove it.
Wal Ard,
Very nice, mashallah. Now this one please. Sahabun, stay will be how?
Sahab,
Is that clear?
yeah,
Okay, will be forget?
no.
Thank you. Please now continue your lesson.